Motorola Curve hands-on review. Crystal clear PTT over Wi-Fi only.
Remember that sinking feeling when your radio cuts out right when a customer needs help? Or worse, when security can't reach you in the parking lot? Last month, I watched a manager sprint across a 200,000 square foot store screaming into static. Total chaos. If you've ever felt that frustration, drop your worst radio fail story in the comments right now. I'm reading every single one.
Deadlines pile up, noise drowns everything, and your old radio hisses like it's personally against you. Heart racing, palms sweaty, praying the message got through. The Motorola Curve hands you back control. No more chaos, no more guessing. Just instant, stomach-settling clarity the second you press the button. You'll actually feel the stress melt when everyone hears you perfectly.
Here's where the Motorola Curve completely changes the game. This isn't another bulky brick. It's a sleek, Wi-Fi-powered two-way radio that turns your existing network into unlimited range. Crystal clear HD voice with aggressive noise cancellation. Lightweight curved design that disappears in your hand. Seamless Wi-Fi bridging so no one ever gets left in a dead zone. Unlimited talk groups, text messaging, GPS tracking, and Bluetooth earpiece support, all managed from the cloud. Picture this. Grace, retail manager, 30 minutes to close, massive line forming, stockroom radio silent because the old units couldn't punch through the concrete walls. She grabs the Curve, hits PTT over Wi-Fi, and the stockroom answers instantly. Crisis averted, customers happy, Grace doesn't lose her mind. That's not marketing fluff. That exact thing happened on my test shift last week. The relief on her face when the message went through clean? Priceless. One device, zero range anxiety, total team confidence.
Efficiency skyrockets because no one repeats themselves 3 times. Focus sharpens when you're not fighting static. Performance jumps when every call is heard the first time. A wireless industry analyst told me straight, the Motorola Curve is the clearest example yet of LMR and IP convergence done right. A tech influencer I follow said pairing it with a discreet Bluetooth earpiece in a busy hotel felt like having a superpower. One security director reported 0 dead zones across a 300,000 square foot campus and called the GPS tracking situational awareness on steroids. A retail manager measured a 40% faster response time and said the investment already paid for itself. I've personally watched staff go from stressed out to calm because they knew the message got through. Worried about a learning curve, most teams are fully operational in under 10 minutes. Looks too good to be true? See why thousands of pros can't stop talking about it. Tell me in the comments, what's the one feature you need most right now?
Join the retail chains, hotels, hospitals, warehouses, and campuses already running smoother, responding faster, and stressing less with the Motorola Curve. This is the Wi-Fi radio that actually delivers unlimited range, crystal clear audio, and dead simple management. Exactly as promised. No hype, no games. Just real results. If you're ready to ditch dead zones and old school frustration for good, click the link in the description or pin comment and check out the Motorola Curve right now. Your team will feel the difference on day 1.